international accreditation is a delicate process in academics. This accreditation puts the College of Pharmacy program on the benchmark of the world. So our program now is a globally accredited and recognized for excellence and innovation. That's the pulse that we want to contribute at the end to produce or graduate job-ready pharmacists who can efficiently work in the healthcare system and provide all the requirements to effective and efficient and good services for the community and patients, as well as their work in industry and other professions of pharmacy.